Hey, welcome to the show. Today on our show we have one of the easiest and funnest drones that I've ever used. It's from a company called LbLa. It is the S5 drone. And I'm going to show you real quick. It's very easy to set this up. All you have to do is turn the drone on like that. Turn on your controller. Sync it up. And there you go. And hey, stay tuned. I'm going to show you all about the details, the unboxing, and how easy it is to fly this very cool drone. All right, stay tuned. Let's do a quick unboxing. You get a super cool looking drone, battery, controller, extra props, comes with the guards for the blades, and landing gear. Everything to get started with.
Come back here, Angelina.
Easy to start and connect with your controller. The first time I took the drone out, I wanted to play it safe, but after a few minutes I was starting to feel very comfortable. I could not believe how easy it was to fly. I did accidentally hit a telephone wire, but did not affect the drone. Super tough propeller. I really like the altitude hold function. The drone will hover at a current height and just stay there. Super great for beginners and learners. I did try using the phone for controlling the drone, and I did some video capture with the HD camera. After you download and sync up the BJ UFO program and you sync it with your drone, it's going to show up in your wireless settings. So go ahead and click on this program here. And then you go ahead and click on play. And right away you'll see the camera that's on this drone. And one thing I want to tell you about on this camera, it can position downward or straight, and you can go ahead and hit settings right there, and that will bring up another set of menus, and you can be able to control your drone that way. So this is what you would be seeing. So when the drone is flying around like this, you can control it. It's hard to believe you get such an awesome drone setup for such a low price and fun. I keep this in the car with me when I go to parks. Check out the lights on this thing. It's really neat when this is above. It looks like a UFO. The battery life lasts about 8 to 10 minutes. The drone has a 1-key return in case you get in trouble so you don't lose it. And it also does flips. It flies very high in the sky, which my kids get a little bit worried at.
Oh, it's going so high. Oh my goodness, you lose it out there.
People will think you are an expert flying this drone because it is super, super easy to fly. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show today. I think you're going to have a lot of fun with this drone. It's easy to fly, easy to control. You're going to probably want to order some extra batteries, but all in all, it's a great company to deal with. I'm going to leave a link down in the description below where you can find this product on Amazon. Please check out our other videos on here, and like always, have a fun day. Adios. Bye-bye.